this video, I will tell you how to open a Twitter account. If you see an error when you click Create Account, please try this method. Enter the Google Play Store and then download the Twitter application. Click on Install. Please wait until the download is complete. Once the installation is complete, go back to the home screen. Enter the Twitter application. Click on Create Account to create account. If you have an account, click Login. Click Create Account. When I click Create Account, an error is displayed. Let's try again. Can't enter, error is showing. You will need a VPN application to solve this error. If you don't have a VPN on your phone, download it first. Open VPN application. Please wait a moment. Click on Connect, and then click Free Server with Add. Log in back into the Twitter application. Click Create Account again. OK, now, the account can be opened. You can click on Next or Skip for now. Enter your name here. Enter your phone number or Gmail account to open an account here. Enter your birthday here. Click Next. Click Next again. OK, click on Sign Up. Click OK. Wait for the verify code to be sent to your phone. Verify code comes in automatically. Click Next. Enter the password you want to create here. Click Next. Click on Skip for now. If you want to change the username, you can change it. If you don't want to change, click Skip. Click Not Now. Please choose at least 3 things that interest you. Follow the account you like. Click Next. OK, now creating a Twitter account is finished. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the ITNet channel, please do like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because we are already presenting phone repair methods. Thanks you for watching video.